Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I made this testimonial uh, section for the checkout UI extension in Shopify. So with the help of Cursor without writing any single line of code. So what I did, I installed the Shopify app first, then I installed the Shopify UI checkout extension. Then I have given some commands to Cursor, some prompts to Cursor, and it is Cursor has generated this UI extension for me. So right now you can Shopify has completely transformed my business. The checkout experience is smooth and user friendly. Happy customer. So let's give some more command to Cursor and make some changes in this checkout UI extension. Can you please add stars to the testimonial? And once I have given this command, it will read all the files. It will read the exact checkout.gsx. Now it is reading the checkout.gsx and making changes on that one. And now you can see we have new code added automatically in the file. And once the cursor is done with the five yellow stars have been added, and then it will ask us to accept all the changes. We will keep these changes, and if I go back to the checkout page, and now you can see we have star as well. And let's give some other commands. Can you please make them black? And now it is going to change the color of the stars, and it will change the tone of the star. You can see, you can do that by yourself, but we are not doing anything by ourselves. We will use the Shopify Dev MCP server and make all the relevant changes in the file automatically. So now if we keep these changes and reload the page again, and this time you see we have changed the star colors. Okay, let me ask one more thing. Can you please add multiple reviews and put them into a slider? So let's see how it works now. We are going to change the single testimonial into the multiple testimonials, and we will add the slider over there. So let's see. You can create the slider for the Shopify extension using the preact look state. For example, add an array of the object stars, add an array of review object star, text author, add state variable to the current. And now you can see Cursor has planned all the things, and now it put all the reviews in a object in array, and then it will loop through all the reviews, and hopefully it will make a slider for us. So it is working on the changes and found 2 errors. Once he found the error, he tried to fix them instantly. Okay, still working on the checkout.gsx to convert our review into a slider. Okay, it is still working, and you can add more reviews to the array needed. Okay, I think it has done working. Now let's try to check our checkout UI extension and see. Now you can see we have 1, 2, 3 different testimonial section with the slider. Okay, next, can you please make this style better, and please use the Shopify Polaris web components and use MCP Shopify MCP dev for the latest documentation. Now it will read the latest documentation from Shopify, and it will add the style to our testimonial section, hopefully. Yes, now it is using the Shopify Polaris web components. Nice, it is doing all the work for us. We just have to wait and see how it gets done for us. So it is working on that. It is reading the checkout.jsx, and now it is making changes in our file, and I will apply fixes on the update now. It is updating the file now. So with the help of Shopify Dev MCP and the cursor, you can build the checkout UI extension very easily now. You don't need so much knowledge for that. You just need to give the command to the cursor and MCP server, and MCP dev server, and cursor will do the rest of the things for you. So now it has made all the changes. We will keep them, and we will reload the checkout page again, and now the style is a little bit better, but not according to our requirement, but the style is better. So you can give more commands to make it better. I have given you the idea how you can make Shopify checkout UI extension with the help of cursor and Shopify Dev MCP. I hope this video will make sense to you. Please let me know if you have any question. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.